I'm hoping that you've seen in some of the examples, you're like, well, wait a minute. There's always been enough keys or something lower from the tree to push up and help M restore what it should be. What if there's not? This is case number 4. This is if we have to delete something and it just doesn't, this has maybe some support. This just doesn't have any support to do a rotation or something. We just don't have enough. If you see that your node just doesn't have enough support when we do some type of switch, you know that eventually our keys end up going to break down a little bit further. So that means it was an M of 3 and now it's going to be M of 2, but you'll notice that it's not going to really lose anything. It's just now going to lose how many links it has coming out of it, which really builds its support in reality. So in this example, we're going to be deleting 21. We're going to find it. We know that once we get rid of it, we got to do something with this. We can't just leave this hanging. But very similar to the previous example, but this time we'd like to switch 13 and 10, but then that leaves this empty. And we can't do that. So you would literally have 6, 7, a blank, and then the 13 over here, and the 10 would come. We just can't do that. We can't leave any of the keys blank because then you wouldn't have the same level of keys either. That's the goal that we're really after, again, on top of the M to M divided by 2 as well. So there's a lot going on here. But if you have suddenly a blank key, we're in deep doo-doo. So what we do instead is that we'll leave the 9 there and we'll put the 10 and 13 together. So notice, our overall format is the same. Everything that's greater than 9 is to the right. Everything that is less than 9 goes to the left. We also are still following the M rule. Remember, it's M divided by 2 to M. In this case, again, it was 3. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So that's how we have to adjust. If there just isn't enough sibling or key support to be able to do our rotation and promote things and shift things, just not enough, then it's probably most likely case number 4.